Do you want to know what is the single most valuable resource you have? Do you want to know that one decision of using this most valuable resource is shaping your life every moment, even right now when you're watching this video? Hi, I'm Saurabh Bajaj. So let's get started to know what is the single most valuable resource that you have. So, more than often in life, we always want some resources, and the two resources we are often running behind and are often saying that I don't have enough are time and money. Mostly, we feel that we don't have enough time, we don't have enough money, we don't have enough time, we don't have enough money, and these two become the most valuable resources in our lives. But the fact of the matter is, what one of my mentors shared with me is this, that in today's time, the single most valuable resource is not time and money, but it is your focus. What is it that you focus on? What is it that you can do with complete focus becomes the single most valuable resource for yourself. And we live in an age of distraction, in an age of social media where our mobile phones are constantly buzzing. We have all the social updates coming every moment, and we can't even eat our food without focusing on the mobile phone, or even talk to a person we love without even looking at our mobile phone. This is the kind of distraction. So in today's age, our focus becomes the single most valuable resource. And all the millionaires and billionaire stories that we keep hearing, these are not people who are working 16 hours or 18 hours a day. These are people who are working like 4 or 5 hours a day, but they're working with complete focus, with single focus. And all of us know that, all of us have read those stories. So make this the number one valuable resource in your life. Now I'm going to share with you the three aspects of focus, how focusing on these three different aspects is actually shaping your life. And most importantly, this decision of what you focus on is the most important decision of our life. More than often we feel, life is happening to me. Life is just, these circumstances are coming to me, the COVID is happening or whatever is happening. But the truth of the matter is that the life you experience is not the life you experience. The life you experience is actually the life you focus on. This is the power of focus. One of my mentors gives a very funny example of focus, which I'm going to share. So he says that, so there is a fly and a bee, two different kind of insects, but how their focus works. So he says that you take a fly to the most beautiful room, which has the most beautiful aroma, the most beautiful flowers and everything. But what is the fly going to do? The fly is going to look for the shittiest place in the whole room and going to go and sit on it. And you take a bee to a room filled with garbage, a very shitty room filled with garbage, old scrap or anything. Out of that room, the bee is going to still find the most clean, the cleanest place, and still going to go and sit at the most clean and the most hygienic place. So this is the difference of between a fly and a bee. So what are you? Are you a fly or a bee? Of course, I know you want to be a bee, but our focus is most of the times making us work like a fly. So let me share with you the three aspects how our focus works. So number one thing, what are you focusing on? Things that are missing in your life or what you have. So most often we are always focusing on what's missing in my life. You're working with scarcity mindset, whereas we know, all of you already know, that it is working with abundant mindset. It is what is going to bring you what you really want. But most of the time we are focusing on what I don't have. That is whether it could be less of money, whether it could be less of love, whether it could be less of happiness, whether it could be less of health, whatever it could be for you. Or on the contrary, you can focus on what you already have. The number two aspect of it is whether you are focusing on what you can change or are you focusing on what you cannot change. Many people are constantly focusing on what they cannot change. But does that help? You tell me, does that help? When a person is constantly focused on what he or she cannot change, what happens? The life gets filled with a lot of blames, a lot of cribbing, a lot of whining, and the results remains the same. So that is why it is so important to constantly focus on what you can change. What can I do now? What is it I can do now? I go in society, I meet people. Even in now, I meet people and say that, demonetization happened, GST happened, it has ruined my business. It's been 4 years, 5 years those events happened, and still people are focused on what they cannot change. COVID has happened now. Are you still focused on how many cases are coming, how many deaths are happening, or are you just focused simply on taking care of yourself, of taking responsibility, complete ownership of your life? People who focused on what they can change are actually the people who take complete ownership of their life. So this is the number 2 aspect of what you are focusing on. And number 3 aspect of focus is that what are you focusing on? Past, present, or future. Many people are always stuck in the past. He did this to me, that is why I am here. Government passed on this law, that is why I am here. My son, my friend, my father, my brother, they did this to me, and this is what happened. Always stuck in the past. And so many people are already stuck in the future, thinking, what if this happens? What if that happens? They are never able to live fully, completely, totally, because they're not focused on the present. If you can just focus on the present with the eye in the future, that is the best thing you can do. So now just imagine if you are a person who always focuses on what you have, what you can change, and stays in the present, then how beautifully you can live your life, how wonderfully you can grow in your own life, whether it is your business, whether it is your work. So remember, my friends, focus is the single most decision, the single most valuable resource that you have. And on an everyday basis, just ask this question to yourself: what is that I'm focusing on? Where is my focus going? If you are conscious about it, if you are aware about it, just this one question to your own self, not with anyone else. If anything happens in your life, if there is a cash flow crunch, if customers are not coming, if sales are not happening, if your health is going down, still, if you can ask this question to yourself, what am I focusing on? This one single question to yourself is going to give you the answer, and it will quickly change your orientation and what you focus on. And as Wayne Dyer says, a change of feeling is a change of destiny. So when you change your focus, your feeling changes, and a change of feeling is actually going to change your destiny. This is where it all starts. So thank you so very much for watching this video. Signing off, and remember, what are you focusing on right now? All the best. Bye bye.